Hello guys, I'm Cris from Dirty Puma Coffee Co. and this is Brew Better. For today, I'll be brewing Finca Estrella Geisha. With this, I'll use my brewer, the Oria V2, paired with my Cafec 101 filter. For grind size, I'll be grinding a bit finer than the usual. So this is around 13 to 15 clicks in the Comandante. C2 is around 11 to 13 clicks. And for MK, it's around 6.5 to 7. Okay, let's position this one. Pair our scale. Check our coffee, that level or coffee. That's good, that's there. So for the water yield, I'll be using around a ratio of 1:15. So this is around 13 grams in and a 200 grams out. For the water ppm, I'll be using around 80 ppm. The temperature is 93. Now let's set. Let's check our kettle. Okay. So for our bloom, let's bloom for 40 grams of the water, slowly spiraling out. Make sure to saturate the bed evenly. So Finca Estrella is located in southwest of Colombia. So Finca Estrella is a family farm passed by generation to generation. It has a high altitude of 1,970, so good for growing coffee, along with warm days and cold nights, and of course, very nice volcanic soil. For the 30th second, let's pour our second pour, which is pour up until 120. So start in the middle and mind this, please go near to the brewer for it to be more fast and efficient. Okay, 120, let's stop. For this one, we are using a washed geisha. So geishas are commonly associated with Panama farms and regions, but originally geishas are planted in the farms of Ethiopia, specifically in Gore Geisha forest. So way back in 1931, so being planted near in Colombia or in the terroir of Colombia makes it more unique. So for the third pour, let's pour until 160. So spiraling in, spiraling out. So the reason why I'm using an Oria V2 with a trapezoid filter from Cafec is it because I want a high retention for my brew, at the same time very clean and uniform drawdowns. Let's pour our last pour, and that is a total of 200. So a bit higher this time, so we can agitate and pour in the sides. And before it draws down, we need to have a little swirl. Okay. So having this geisha varietal planted in Finca Estrella and having a very classic process, which is the wash process, gives this very clean and very complex profile for geishas. Yeah, and I'm excited to taste this one. So let's wait until 2:30 for the drawdown, and we're done. Let's set aside. Okay. Let's swirl it. Aside. Let it rest for a couple of seconds. I'm gonna get my cup. Let's assess the aroma. Already it's very floral, it's very delicate. At the same time, it's very fruity in the end. And now it's done. It's time to enjoy a good cup. For the first sip, you will experience very upfront sweet yellow mangoes, ripe mangoes. Yet it has this very sweet and tart acidity, akin to an orange but much sweeter, like Clementine. And then let's taste for the last time. It's very distinct vanilla aftertaste and a very velvety mouthfeel. Always remember, the best coffee is the coffee that you enjoy. Feel free to share with us your brewing method and experience with the coffee. Cheers, and don't stop brewing.